Hi everybody, it's Jennifer with Froggywentaknitting, and I got some happy mail and I wanted to share it with you guys. So this is from Ophire, and the first thing out of the box is a thank you card from Ophire, and I got 2 new hooks. It's their birthday celebration, so they came out with the new hooks and a bowl and some yarn. So I wanted to share that with all of you. So let's take a look, shall we? I actually just opened the box and took the paper out. So we'll take a look. So, oh, this is really pretty. It's my first chance seeing it not online. Wow. Super Glow. It says Super Glow, and the colorway is called Azalea. Oh, my glasses, sorry. Colorway is called Azalea. It's on a glossy DK. It's 100% superwash merino, 246 yards. And wow, that is really pretty. I got those and I wanted to show them to you. They are really, really, really pretty. Wow, that's gorgeous. So, love that. There's the deets and stuff, and that is just beautiful, beautiful yarn. So let me set those over there, and we have the yarn bowl. So let's open up the yarn bowl and see what it looks like. This is beautiful. They sent me the email allowing me to get early access to it, so I was super stoked. And can't wait to see it. So here we go. There's the box. And of course it's wrapped in bubble wrap. I don't normally go for small yarn bowls. But this one just looked super pretty. And I had to have it. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. So here is the bowl. And isn't that beautiful? There it is. Look at those colors. You can actually see the reflection in it. And of course, it is an Ophire. But that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Can't wait to actually use this on my desk with my project that I'm working on. So that is beautiful. And then, of course, I got 2 hooks. I absolutely love the way that these come in tubes. I love that. It's really good for storing them so they don't get broken or anything. So let's pop the tubes and let's take a look at the new hooks. So these are quite stunning. They're both the same azalea color and they both look different. Wow. So one of them is a 4.5 millimeter G+. The other one is a 5.5 millimeter, and it's an I. But check these out. They're both from the same thing. They're both azalea, but they both look completely different. But aren't they beautiful? And of course, they just look stunning with that yarn bowl. They do. And the matching yarn to them is just amazing. That is really very pretty. That is just beautiful together. So check out Ophire and check out their new color, Azalea. I have a link in the description box. And so check it out. I mean, this is just, that's really, really pretty. I really love the way the colors are spread across that. And the bowl has a good weight to it. It's not super light, and it's definitely not heavy, but it's not super light. It feels really good, and it's very smooth. And there's nothing for snagging or anything. It feels really nice. So definitely check that out. And then I also I know I brought them in here, and that's the funny thing. Then I also got a couple of ChiaoGoo needles. I want to try them out. I've never used ChiaoGoo before. So as you can see, it's this one is a 40-inch cable and a 3.5 millimeter needle, or a US 4. This one is a 32-inch cable, and a 4.5 millimeter needle, or a US 7. So I am anxious to try these out. They look absolutely beautiful. So I'm really very anxious to see how smoothly they work. This will be the first time I've ever used ChiaoGoos. I want to see that. Look at that. No memory. Oh, I love that. When I say memory, I know crocheters don't know what that means. What that means is when you have your needles, I'm trying to pull it out so I can show you. When you have your needles, they develop a memory. You see the curl? There. The cable will develop a memory, and it's sometimes difficult to work with it when it curls on you like that. And pulling that out of the package, and there's no memory on that cord. I love that. And it's nice and flexible. It's smooth. The needles are nice and slippy. They're nice and pointy for lace, so that feels good. I can't wait to try using these. These feel really nice. That's really cool. So I will let you know in a later video how I like those needles. And then the next things, the last two things that I got, obviously they're books. I haven't even read them yet. I literally just took them out of the package. From Amazon, I got Patty Lyon's Knitting Bag of Tricks, 70 Sanity-Saving Hacks for Better Knitting. So I thought I would take a look at this. I do know it's got your basic knitting stitches in it, but I thought I would check this out and see if there's any hacks or shortcuts that might be useful to me for doing, for knitting. I thought it would be really fun to check that out. I have to wear glasses and need a magnifier to see some of it, but it's got illustrations in it which are very helpful. I like that. They actually tell you how to do some stitches and stuff, which I like. It's very good, actually. I like that. They talk about the different decreases. This is one I'm using currently, a center double decrease. That's fun. But this is a nice book. I like this. So I got that one from Amazon. And then my next book, knowing Froggy the way y'all do, I had to get a Halloween crochet book. And this is what the patterns are in the book. But I thought he was super cute. I don't know. I just thought he was cute and fun. And of course you got the kitty and the mummy. And of course the candles are awesome. So I got this one. And it does have a pick tutorials in it. So that's really good. Nice, 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 nice. I really like that. I like this a lot. I love the way it's written. It's written and I can read it up here. I'll be able to read it even better with my glasses on. But it is, looks very well written. When I go to make some stuff, I have to let you know what I think about it. But there's a quick glance. It's, look at that. It's got, it's well written and it's fairly good sized print. So I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. This is a good book. Absolutely do like this. Very, very nice. So I'm looking forward to making this. Even that scarecrow is cute. So that's cute. So I hope you guys like that. You know, just some fun stuff. I haven't been ordering a lot of stuff, but yeah, I hope you guys like this. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.